Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Sarah Kress.
We're taking a live look out across the region right now, where it is looking a little bit different in a few areas. If you're along the coast, we have that marine layer and some fog that is keeping it a little bit cooler than areas inland. But if you're taking a look inland, lots of sunshine to go around, but we are expecting some changes as we're working into the afternoon. So just a quick snapshot of the days ahead. We're going to be starting off the week with scorching heat. Pretty warm for us today, maybe just slightly cooler tomorrow, but it'll still be feeling that heat. A thing we have our eye on though are those thunderstorm potentials today and even more so into your Tuesday. We'll see a cooling trend as we work our way into the second half of this week, but let's keep in touch with what's going on right now. It's 85 into Medford, Klamath Falls, Montague, Mount Shasta, Grants Pass, you're at 84, and I mentioned along the coast feeling much cooler, and we're dealing with a bit more of those clouds. Now today we have the potential to break some records for us. Into Medford we have a high of 103 today, that last record at 98 degrees. Over to Mount Shasta we have a high of 96, which is going to be possibly breaking another record as well. We're still under that heat advisory for our west side valleys until 8 p.m. tonight. The hottest time of day for us is going to be late into the afternoon through this evening, so make sure if you are heading outside you're being extra cautious, because look at these highs: 103 into Medford and Grants Pass, over to Klamath Falls and 94, into Wairika 99 degrees, and along the coast it will be feeling a bit more comfortable for us with those highs into the 60s for us. But let's go ahead and track out what we're going to start seeing into the afternoon. You'll likely start seeing those cumulus clouds begin to build up, and then we'll be tracking the potential for some showers and storms. Of course, with this, you'll see the potential for lightning, gusty outflow winds, even possibly some small hail. Risks today bigger into Northern California east side and maybe even into Jackson County as well. Over tonight, we'll see those chances diminish out, but then we're keeping another close eye on Tuesday, because it does look like chances for these storms is a bit more widespread for us, and we have the possibility for some of these storms even to become severe. Now here's an outlook for your Tuesday into this darker green area. This is where we have that marginal risk for storms, where we could see some of those storms pop up and become a bit more severe. We'll be watching those closely. You could see heavy outflow winds and the possibility for abundant lightning and even a little bit bigger sized hail. Now as we're working our next way into the couple of days, we'll see temperatures slowly drop down, and we still have the potential for some thunderstorms even into our Wednesday areas over east side. Into the Rogue Valley, we won't see those temperatures drop until we make our way into Wednesday. That's when we'll be feeling less hot, but as we work our way into the end of the week and getting closer to our Father's Day, that's when we'll be right back on average, and it does look like for now our weekend is sitting pretty comfortable. But here's a look at your next 7 days, starting with the coast. Breezy as we're working our way into the second part of the week, but definitely feeling a bit more comfortable than areas inland. Into Northern California tomorrow, we're tracking the risk for those showers and thunderstorms as well. Over into the Klamath Basin, we'll see that risk last a little bit longer, and even the possibility for some showers into your Wednesday. Over into the mountains, dropping back down into the 70s by our midweek, and finally back over into the Rogue Valley. We have that slight chance for those showers and thunderstorms for us today, staying pretty hot into your Tuesday, and a greater potential to see a storm develop tomorrow with those breezy conditions and cooler weather on the way as we're ending out our week.